demand from students like you. Okay, the students demand which forced us to come to Amirpet, and we said, okay, let's start on small training center here so that we can pull students to our corporate office. I request you all to visit our Gachipoli corporate office at least once so that you realize the difference between corporate training and normal institute training. Okay, we are not an institute. And now my name is Barkatullah Khan. I'm the training head here, and my qualification is MBA HR National 10 rank 93.4 percentage. Okay, I'm ITA International Trainers Academy, Florida, USA certified master trainer. For your information, only 45 master trainers in the world, 24 in Asia, 10 in India. I'm the national topper. I'm also USA certified Washington accent coach and IELTS International English Language Testing System, British Council, Cambridge, UK, 8.5 and trainers trainer. And I'm a proud student of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Okay, I'm born in Chennai, brought up in Kerala, Gujarat, Maharashtra, settled in Hyderabad. I know 8 languages. Okay, now coming to your profile, yeah, in Kapil IT Skill Hub, we provide absolute quality training. We never compromise on quality. That's the reason we have all the corporate trainers, subject matter experts. We are all certified corporate trainers. So when you join any course, you are going to be trained by the experts, subject matter experts, who know what about it. You can ask any question to them, they'll answer you. And about your placements, it's all on my shoulders. I will decide whether you go for the placement or not. Conditions apply. Okay. I told you very clearly because you need to communicate beautifully in English language. And for you people, what we have decided is I will come to Amirpet every Monday and Wednesday for communication skills, soft skills, life skills, and job readiness skills. Put together, it's called employability skills. That's my responsibility. Don't worry. Okay. And every Tuesday, Thursday, I'll be taking session at Gachipoli. Clear to all? Why communication? Because we all know English language is a global language. And my dear children, please understand, today the market is very tough. Every company wants the best. I'll give an example. For example, we both start a company. And I'll tell you that take care, students are coming for the interview. I'll go to Delhi and sign a contract with the client and come back. So when the students come, whom you will select? The best. Yes or no? When we are startup company from zero, we want the best. So what about the multinational company? They never compromise. Absolutely, best of the best. They never compromise, my dear children. See, I can call you children because my age is 45. I have total 25 years experience. I hope your age is not 25. It's okay. So see, every company wants the best in terms of technology, the best in terms of communication, the best in terms of character. That's the reason the company takes your interview rounds. But then again, you need to speak. For example, see, if I say I'm trained on full stack Python and I can talk about the process and concept in and out, when you have so much of confidence, that's what we want to see. And our main aim in Kapil IT Skill Hub is that we want to transform every student who is coming into Kapil IT Skill Hub as the best in the market. That is our responsibility. For that, we'll make you do our work. Okay. And when you walk in, I hope you all are finished with graduation. Right? So be serious, my dear children. This is not a college. This is not an institute. Now you are stepping into your professional life. You need to be serious. You should have a goal. You should have a tangible, a proper, schedule of daily activities so that you can concentrate and improve yourselves. And for that, I'll help you out with different international tools and all the training programs. Okay. Good to know you all. So welcome to Kapil IT Skill Hub and all the best. So I'll call the Python trainer. She will take care of. See you. Bye.
So it not started recording. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning.
Mike. Am I audible online people? Umar. Umar is there? Am I audible, Nano? Am I audible to you, Umar? Not okay. Umar? Just a minute. You'll join this batch?
No.
This batch?
No.
You won't come there? It's okay.
What will come there and
The same classes will happen there and here.
what instead of previous class?
It's okay. Actually, what the matter is, we are trying to merge that batch in this batch. Okay, no worries. So that very good morning, everyone. My name is Mohana Priya. Okay, and we are a full stack trainer. Okay, I just you also hold as a person, right? Okay, but you three people came for the demo. Second demo you are coming. It's okay, your wish. Okay, so this is what the full stack course we are going to learn. Okay, the sir explained about the company, right?
Yes.
So you people know the what is a Kapil? Got it? You also came in the previous class? No? Yes, right? I can remember the faces but not names. Okay. So once again, I'm just explaining about the full stack course. Okay. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React. These are the front-end technologies. Okay. I'm going to take, it will take 2 to 3 months of time. 2.5 to 3 months of time. Every day, 1 hour session you'll have. Okay. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React. These 5 comes under front-end technologies. Okay. I'm going to take 2 people classes. It will take 1 hour per day. Okay. Every day, 1 or 2 concepts, 2 or 3 concepts. 1 to 3 concepts I will deliver. Based on the concepts, you'll get the assignments. Got it? So, and coming to the back end, you may have the Python or Java. It is your wish. For Python, other trainer we had. For Java, we had another trainer. Got it? Alternatively, you have the another class for another 1 hour. Got it? And we have the SQL also. SQL, we have the another sir. Sir will come. Along with the SQL, you can learn the advanced Excel and we can learn the Power BI also. Power BI also in market, it is very good. Understand? This full stack course, it will take almost 4 months of time. They will tell 3 months, but it is not enough. It will take 4 months of time. Okay, when it will happen, alternatively, you need to attend all the classes. Front end 1 class, back end Python or Java another class, SQL is another class. Okay, communication also you have the weekly twice. Okay, then only you can finish your course. Okay, it is not a one technology, full stack is in multiple technologies you need to learn. Yes, you people can understand English, right? Right. Very good. The classes will be in English only, Nana. If you people are not able to understand, I'll repeat in Telugu, but don't ask me other languages, I don't know. Tamil, Malayalam, I don't know. I can't repeat with that languages. Even the Telugu, Hindi also I don't know properly. Okay, I can explain you very clearly in English and Telugu. Got it? And communication is also very important key to get a jobs. Okay, if your people are very good at technology, if you are not having the proper communication, waste of learning this technical knowledge. Keep in mind. Okay, communication is the first key. Then only you can express your skills to the interviewer. Understand? So you need to alternate. You need to work on the communication skills also when you are starting learning this course. Okay, so I'll just take care about the technical skills. Okay, communication skills is your headache. Clear, everyone? So, and here we had a particular front-end technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React. Okay, coming to the HTML, if you learn about the HTML, then only you can understand the CSS. If you learn CSS, then only you can understand JavaScript. If you know the 3 technologies, then only you can understand the Bootstrap. If you're having all the 4 technologies, then only you can understand the React. Okay, and each technology just I planned for 15 days. Okay, and JavaScript is very important. It is in heart of your web technologies, and it will take 20 days of time. 20 to 25 days it will take. It is very important for to design your websites. Okay, I'm talking about the front end. Okay, and if you are missing the CSS, you can't understand the Bootstrap. If you are missing the JavaScript, you can't understand the React. These 5 technologies are interlinked. Okay, you should be a regular to your classes. Okay, homesick loop. Okay, so these parties, okay, going to home, okay, festivals, this all you need to keep aside when you are learning this course. Well, weekends will run, no problem. But remaining time you need to go for offline or online, attend and be regular to your classes. To get the interest on the course, you need to come at least 1 month to your course. Meeku course mein interest ravali. Okay. To what is going on, you need to understand means at least 1 month it will take time. Okay, suppose first 1 week only you'll get interest, it's okay. But you need to have some clarity in your mind, right? This is web technologies. That clarity you'll get it from our 1 month. Understand? Then for 1 month you can design your static pages. You can design your own, you can design your static pages. And here Python also it will take 2 months of time, and Java it will take 3 months of time. It is somewhat little more, right? So 2 to 3 months, and we have the separate trainers for that, Python and Java. Even though I tell the Python also, okay, the front end classes only have the more classes. So I'm just concentrating on the front end. We had other trainers for the Python and Java also. SQL also we have the SQL, Advanced Excel, and Power BI. The 3 technologies sir will deliver. Okay, it is a cycle. First SQL he will start. Then he will tell you about the Advanced Excel. Then he will start the Power BI. Okay, you people can join in the middle Advanced Excel. Okay, sometimes you may come to the Power BI. Then after again SQL will come. That is a cycle. In the middle you can join, right? Okay, when they start the Advanced Excel, you can join. Okay, and as of now, they had not started yet anything. It's going, I think so. Advanced Excel is going on. Okay, you people can join in Power BI. Later it come again, SQL it will come. That is a cycle, it happens. Okay, you people need a SQL actually for the full stack Python or full stack Java. We required only the SQL, but for other technologies, means data science or something AWS, they require the Power BI and Advanced Excel. Okay, for that all the people just we are delivering these 3 technologies, the SQL sir, Vamshi sir will deliver. Okay, it will be added advanced to you, advanced knowledge for you people to learn the remaining technologies. Even the Power BI also is very nice in market. If you have the basic knowledge, it will be advanced topic you can learn, advanced technology you can learn, and you can make your resume valuable. Understand everyone? And moreover, when you are learning here, the particular training who are giving the role of working professionals. Okay, we are all working professionals now. We are working and we are giving the training in the particular topic. Got it? So we will explain the live examples. Even though after 4 months of time, Pakka 4 months it will take time to complete your course. Okay, in the 5th month we will start the particular projects. The training will be in the Amirpet only. Okay, it will be held in Amirpet only. The project classes you need to come to the hub. Pakka you need to come to the hub. Okay, so there we will make you to sit there and we will make you to do assign the projects, and we will support you to do the projects. Okay, projects will not be happen in the Amirpet. Okay, so morning Amirpet I will take the classes. Afternoon I will take the classes in the hub. If you are interested, you can join in the hub, or here also you can start. Okay, Gachibowli, you people know that, right? Our main office is in Gachibowli, Nana. Actually, the people can't able to travel from Amirpet to Gachibowli, so just we arrange this in this small area, particular classes. Did sir showed any pictures of our company? Chupichara? No? Chupichara? Sorry? Did you saw the lab and classrooms? Right. So, no? Anyway, you saw, no? Then? Okay, I'll show you. So then this is what full stack happened, Nana. It will take 4 months of time to keep in mind, and 5th month the project will be started. Okay, and in meanwhile you'll have the mock interviews. Okay, sometimes you'll have the seminars also I'll conduct. Okay, for suppose on 22nd we have conducted a drive. I think people knows that, right? The drive is happened in the hub. Okay, we need to filter the students and we need to send to the drive. Okay, then in that scenario, I don't know how you people are performing, right? Then I'll just conduct the mock interviews. Okay, and I'll conduct the seminars. How you just give the seminars in the colleges. The same way I'll conduct the seminars also. That I knew. I just came to know that how you people are performing. Then sir will comment and sir will tell Mohan, I want just 5 people. Some startup companies also will come to the Kapil. We won't go anywhere. The companies or something consultancies or everything will come to the Kapil only. Okay, they'll come and they'll ask only 2 people. They may ask the 5 people, the startup companies I'm talking about. Then I need to filter the people, right? Then how I know how you people are performing? You people will come to the classes calmly, you'll go to and you'll practice. I don't know what your knowledge is. Then in that scenario, I'll just make a mock interviews, seminars, everything I'll conduct, and I'll filter the students And based on that filtration, I'll just send your resumes to the HRs. Okay, if the companies came to the company, this is happening. And you people need to understand that we are in the recession. I think you people know that. Means you people need to be much work hard for getting a jobs. Okay, still the company is trying to push the people into the startup companies. Okay, so even the few people just be pushed into the something, people came from the non-computer and even they came from the Telugu medium. Okay, they just improve the knowledge and they go for the startup companies. We push into the startup companies. We will help you to survive with the company. Understand, this is happening after the 5 months of course. After finishing our projects, we have the internships also. 3 months internship, 2 months internship, and 6 months internships also we had. As of now, who are taking the course here, it will 2 months internship is enough. Okay, it is a free of course. Okay, 2 months internship. From the third month, you people need to pay. Okay, first 2 months of free is done, internships. You don't need to pay anything. If you want to extend, then you need to pay the internship of third month onwards. There will be a payment. Okay. Meanwhile, you'll get the knowledge and you can try and you can get a jobs. Okay. If internship is nothing but you're an employee of a Kapil, certification you'll get. 6 months you can work, then you get that certification, you'll get an employment like Kapil employee. That with that you can try outside means you'll get a jobs very easily compared to the normal trying. Understand? Adhamainamma? And when you talk about your particular courses, how the companies are expecting the content from the students. I mean, suppose when a company is recruiting the people, okay, what the companies are expecting. Suppose if your people are coming out from the colleges, they're not pick up again, they're not taking. They're looking for the skilled people. There are trained people or not, they're checking. Okay, Naku C వచ్చు, C++ వచ్చు అంటే వాళ్ళు కుదరట్లేదని. Any Hindi people? Non Telugu అర్థం కాని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? All people Telugu, right? Suppose if I'm talking in Telugu, they will think that I'm telling something information more. Some people. So no. Actually, what happened is when you talk about the company employment, suppose when the company is taking the recruitment, then what the company is expecting is they're not expecting the students from the college freshly just passed out students are not expecting. They're looking for the trained students. Okay, you need to remember that they are trained or not. They have some previous project knowledge or not. Like that, the companies are looking over. Okay, the college in వచ్చారు, C language వచ్చిందని తీసుకోవట్లేదు ఎవరు. They are not at all showing interest on those people. Okay, even the BTech also, MTech also, it is in like an inter certifications, those are all. Okay, these particular training certification is more valuable than your BTech. Keep in mind. అలాగే BSc చదువుకుని వచ్చేస్తానంటే కుదరదు. Okay, you need to have something BTech or MTech. Understand? Now this BTech became as an inter certificate, MTech became as an degree certificate. Is it or not? అంత వాల్యూ లేవు నన్ను ఒప్పుకోనికి. Right? More important thing is the skills. మీ బ్రెయిన్ లో ఎంత ఉంది, ఇట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ లేకపోయిందంటే యూ కాంట్ సర్వైవ్ విత్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ. క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? ఏదో ఆడేసుకున్నాం, జస్ట్ అమ్మాయిలంతా హ్యాపీగా సోప్ వేసేసి బతికేద్దాం అనుకుంటారు. బట్ నో, until unless you have the skills, you can't survive in the company. Compulsory you need to have the knowledge in your brain. Okay, so that much knowledge if you maintain, then only you'll get a jobs. ఊరికే తీసుకోవట్లేదు. And when you talk about your full stack course, okay, when you learn this course, you have the multiple opportunities. You can become a front end developer. Okay, React is very important. We had a good openings for the React as a freshers also. Okay, when you talk about your experience, if I want to earn 1 lakh, how many years experience are required? 2 3 years, 5 years, at least 4 years or 5 years. If I want to earn at least 1 lakh, right? But when you talk about the React, for 2 years only they are giving the 1 lakh salary. 1.5 2 years only they are giving the 1 lakh salary. That React will be there for the 10 years. Okay, before React we used to have the Angular. You know that Angular? Okay, so like React only, the Angular is also framework, right? So that because we had an Angular, they used to take the freshers, but as of now the Angular, they're not taking the freshers. They're expecting only experienced people. Okay, now the boom is for the React. Okay, for the React, I'm talking about the front end only as of now. For the React developer, for 1.5 year or 2 years experience, they are paying 1 lakh salary per month. I'm talking. Understand that much demand is there for the React developers. Clear? And you can survive for the 10 years. For 10 years, it will be there, React. Okay, it will be there for the 10 years, the React developer. After that, next JS is ready to come. Right? It is going in America. I mean, it is going in the US. Okay. If the projects came to India, that next JS also will come into the boom into your India also. Understand? We need to update. Actually, I'm an Angular trainer before. I used to work for the Angular. I used to deliver the Angular. But as of the requirement, I just delivering the React now. Okay. You people also need to just jump into the technologies based on the company's requirement. Understand? I know C only. I'll sit with the C means will you have jobs now? No, right? We had a Python, right? We have a Java. Java is evergreen, of course. It will be there anywhere, wherever you go, in any year you go, the Java will be there, the hero, right? But even though the Python, we are depending. Why Python means the Python is a future technology. The artificial intelligence will depend on the Python only. You know or not? I don't know. Yes. So Python is very, very important. Many people will think that Java only is evergreen. Java is the only hero. If you learn the Java, it is enough. They will think it. No, I'm telling that. Why I'm telling you people this means I used to just just a faculty in the Kakinada. I used to train only the Java for the students for engineering colleges. Okay, MS colleges. Okay, if I sit with C and C++ and Java means can I deliver these all technologies to you? Okay, based on the requirement in the market, we need to update our particular technologies. Okay, I came to Hyderabad, I learned these all technologies, and I became a trainer and I became a developer. Understand what I'm saying? So the same way you people need to upgrade your skills. You should not sit with the same technologies from decades on decades. Okay, the packages also will be very less. So when you want to enter into the software field, you need to be a regular student. Don't think that if it is learn this course, it is finished. No, after the getting a job also double you need to learn. Understand what I'm saying? That if you are ready for that, come into the software field. No, madam, I can't learn. I don't want me to go for government job. Understand? And moreover, when you talk about here, government job is evergreen. Okay, we can understand that there is a more value for the government job, but there are less salaries. Only one just a designation will give the more packages. That is the software. Yes or no? Even the poor student can become the owner of a house with a particular software job. You know that people. The more packages, if you enter into the companies, the Google or something other Amazon are paying 12 lakh, 20 lakh for the freshers. You know that why they are paying? Based on the knowledge. Understand? You people engineering will get the DSA. You know that? Engineering lost the DSA. If you just when you go for your DSA, I mean that is one of the topic in the engineering. DSA. Just go and research about the DSA. Okay, what is DSA? I think the data structure algorithm. I want to tell the full form, then only you can understand. Yeah. Actually, okay, it's okay. You people learn about the DSA, right? Data structure algorithm. If you have that good knowledge, it is very easy to enter into the Amazon or Google. Okay, entry level package only 20 lakh starting. He will ask full on DSA questions only. Deep knowledge you need to have. You know or not, I don't know. Because తెలుసా లేదు మీరు ఏం చదవగలరు బట్ డిఎస్సి is very hard. Understand what I'm saying? So what the people is that DSA is nothing but it is a logical thinking, like it is full of on logical coding and logical thinking, deep knowledge it should be there. If you had a DSA knowledge, easily you can crack an interview of Google or Amazon. The starting package only 15 lakh to 20 lakh. Starting package I'm talking about. Freshers. Right? It's full of based on the knowledge, Nana. The software field is based on the knowledge. Here I'm saying. And when you talk about this full stack, in Python you'll get the DSA. Do you know that? I don't know. Python also me. But we don't deliver much about the DSA. It's like a basics only we will deliver. Okay. So you people need to learn yourself the DSA if you want to go for the Google or Amazon, the particular product-based companies. And when you talk about this full stack, you can go for as a front-end developer. Means I mean talk about the React developer. Even though HTML, CSS developers also will have. Understand the startup companies, small third-tier companies you'll have, and you can go as a Python developer, or else a Java developer you can go, or else full stack developer you'll have. Okay. Software engineer. What is a software engineer or full stack developer differences? Software engineer is nothing but end-to-end operations you need to do. How to write the code, how to test the code, how to deploy the code, how to run the code, how to submit the code to the client, everything you need to know. Software engineer, వాళ్ళ ప్యాకేజ్ 30 lakh 40 lakh ఉంటాయి, right? If you learn this course, we can become a software developers. Okay, or else you can become a SQL developer, backend developer, I mean database developers, and you can become like a trainer also, you can become part-time. Yes or no? Multiple opportunities there for you if you go for the full stack trainer. It is not possible with other technologies. Yes or no? Right? When you learn this course, some people will have the coding fear. I know that. Especially girls in the olden days, but nowadays boys also having the coding fear. ఇదివరకు మేము చదువుకునే రోజుల్లో అయితే గర్ల్స్ భయపడేవారు కోడింగ్ కంటే, బాయ్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించేవారు. బట్ nowadays boys only fearing, this girl is going, girls are earning more. You know that or I don't know. Girls ఎక్కువ ఎర్న్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో, మీకు తెలుసు లేదు. Boys are about fear about the coding. So when you have the coding fear, you can go for a front-end developer. I won't tell the front-end technology won't have the coding. The logic won't have a one tell. It has some logic, but compared to the backend, front-end will have the less logics. Okay, but backend we need to have the good knowledge. Compared to the front-end, backend only is easy. Many people will think that front-end is very easy. How to place the image, how to do the animations, how to place the videos, how to place the something images. Suppose if you talk about the Amazon website, it's full of images, right? How to place the images, login pages, okay, submit, sign in pages. This designing will comes into front end.
The front-end classes, where content classes, you can attend the interviews. So after complete of HTML,
You can attend. There will be, suppose if you go for a something Chrome, and if you check for the HTML, CSS jobs, you people can search it, Nana. The entire world is in your hand. Then, okay, see HTML, CSS jobs you are getting, UI developer, HTML, CSS. They're asking only HTML, CSS. But you need to have the good knowledge. Okay, project knowledge you need to have. Understand? See HTML and CSS designing, WordPress. This is a WordPress is another thing. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. 3 technologies only is asked. Understand? If you talk about the full stack course, it will take only the first 3 technologies is enough to get a job. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is more than enough to get a job. To crack an interview. You people are why here? You people are there to face an interview. Is it or not? You people are not having the knowledge, and to gain the knowledge, you came here to the first what wall is nothing but a interview only, right? To interview, the 3 technologies is enough. Okay, how you prepare your resume, like that only you'll get the questions. What the technology you are placing in the resume, those questions only they'll ask. Understand? So they won't ask the non-technology. So suppose if you are going for an interview, they won't ask about the AWS questions. Okay, why? Because you don't mention in the resume, right? How they know? Suppose you people came to here. Do you know that what technologies I know? If I show the resume, you can understand, right? So that is the way, that is the main key for the interview attending. Resume is very, very important. The technologies, what the technologies you are mentioning in the resume is very, very important. Some people, what they will do is they'll do the college projects. They don't know about that project. Blindly they will buy and they will keep in the projects, right? The same thing they will mention in the resume. They won't learn the technology. They won't have the knowledge on the project. They'll place in their resume. Those questions only they'll ask. They are unable to just answer those questions. They lose the interview. Understand? This is the mistake the students are doing. Without knowing any technology, don't mention in the resume. If you know the notepad, mention the notepad. They will ask the notepad questions only. If you know the MS Office, mention the MS Office. Those questions only they'll ask. Resume is very, very important. It is a key to know your knowledge. Understand? So that's what I'm saying, people. If you mention these first front end only, they'll ask front end questions only. If you place this first 3 technologies, the 3 technologies only they'll ask. If you explain very clearly, very deeply, you'll get a job. Understand? You don't need to learn these all technologies. For what? To getting a job, I'm telling. But coming into the company, you need to learn all. Right? There is no escape. Clear, everyone? This has happened in the companies. So when you go for a company, if you want to get a good packages and good knowledge, you need to have the project knowledge. ఊరికి ఎందుకు ఇస్తాడు మనకి వేల జీతం మన తాత టాటా నా మన తాత ఏమన్నాని they won't give, right? So we need to show our skills. Suppose I'm a trainer in the Kapil, right? I'm a trainer in the Kapil. Okay, even though I will support in the development also. But why they will pay me more if I'm not delivering the classes clearly? Is it no? Why they need to bear me? The same scenario will happen to you also. Okay, if you want to survive, you need to gain the knowledge. You don't need to run for the companies. Companies only will come to you when you have the knowledge. First key is gaining the knowledge. And many people are having the less guidance, so they are not having the proper guidance and they are just missing their interviews and they are not getting the jobs. The Kapil, I'm here to guide you very clear. How to learn, where to learn, how to design, how to go. Step by step, we will go very clearly in the Kapil. Okay, main key is the guidance, Nana. Internet lo kuda doruktayi courses andi telusa meeku. If you catch the YouTube, you can learn this, right? But the guidance you need to know. How to learn, where to learn, what is the next step. Okay, if you want to learn some concept, means it will take 1 hour, it may take 1 day also. I'll tell in 1/2 an hour. Yes or no? Already we done the research and we are telling very in simple way. That is the main key. From the trainers you can gain the knowledge. Yes or no? That's what we are experienced people. That experience we are sharing to you. Understand that what your people are coming here. That's what so that is what. And when you talk about here, we have the different designations and you people need to know that how my classes will be there. Ma'am ela cheptaru. Inta so cheptundi how ma'am will deliver the classes. Right? So tittukuntaru kada. It's okay. Amma? Right. So every technology just prepare the PPTs, Nana. Right? This is an HTML. Okay. This is a CSS. First page. Okay. Like that, every technology they will have the PPTs. Okay. I'll just explain the theory first. I think you people attend the classes, these people. First theory, this entire PPT will contain only the theory. Okay, no coding. Theory only will explain. The theory will explain. Then please shift there. Shift there, use it. Just a minute. This is a React app. Okay. The theory will explain here, Nana. So when you talk about here, the PPTs, all the PPTs are just prepared. Okay, front end technologies all are prepared. PPTs theory will explain here. The coding I will show you here. Okay, this is one of the editor. Okay, the coding I'll show you here. Live coding I'll show you. I'll type here and I'll show you. Okay, the coding related output I'll show you on the output screen. It's loading. Okay, it is in React app. This is a page of React application. This is the way the classes will be there. Per day, you'll have at least 2 to 3 concepts we need to deliver in the class. Every day, 1 hour session you'll have. Okay, the timing will be different. But the morning classes only you'll have, not afternoon. Okay, daily 1 hour session you'll have. Okay, in the session, what I'll do, just I'll explain the theory here. The theory related coding I'll show you on the particular editor. This is one of the editor. How to download also I'll tell you. Okay, I'll show you the live coding in the editor. This is a React app. Okay, final thing we need to learn. Okay, so and that editor related output, just I'll show you on the browser. This is the process happening in the classroom. Okay, based on the concept, whatever the concepts are delivered in the classroom, based on the concept, I'll give you the assignments. You people daily you'll have the assignments. You need to go home or sit in the lab. In third floor, we have the lab. You can sit in the lab and you can practice and you need to submit your assignments. If you people done the assignments, then only you can do the projects. Okay. If you are not able to do the assignments, you will be face problem in the projects. Understand? Every day you'll have the assignments. You need to finish and you need to submit to your WhatsApp group. There will be a group creation after the batch is formed. 2 people are enrolled, they will form a batch, and every day the recording will be happening. See here, recording is going on. Okay, the recording is going on. So the recording will be happen every day. Per day you'll get the recording also. Every day you'll get the recordings. Okay, you can maintain, you can go for the through the recordings also if you are not feeling well. Okay, you just I'll tell you people to come to the offline classes every day. Okay, then online classes, coming to the offline classes, you'll gain the more knowledge because there will be a friends to share your knowledges. Okay, if your people are not having any idea, you can get the ideas from your friends also. Okay, some problems, assignments if I gave, if people are not able to do, you can take your friend help and you can do, or else I will help you. Understand, this is a process happening every day. The recordings you'll get by evening also. Immediately you'll get, but for downloading it will take time. Sometimes by the evening you'll get the recordings. Based on the recordings, when I'm explaining, you people can understand very clearly. Okay, but when you are practicing, you'll do many mistakes. Right? So you need to follow the record and you need to practice. And everyone should maintain the 200 pages of spiral book. Akka. Why? Because whatever the content I'm just delivering, that content you need to write down in your notebook. Why? Because immediately tomorrow you have an interview. Can you listen all the recordings? You can refer your notebook very easily, right? Then what you understand, you need to write in your notebook. Because the mindsets will be different. Suppose if I take myself and my sister used to learn one time only, like a robot. She used to learn one time only. She used to go for exams. We like a twins, like we are. Same school, same college. Okay, there is a 1 year gap, but the same school, same college. She used to learn one time and she used to write exams. I'm a two-time learner. Still I am a two-time learner. First time, if I can understand, to store in my mind, I will take second time. Right? The mindsets will be different. Don't compare you people with other people. Is it or not? He is learning and he is doing very fast assignment. I can't able to do. Don't compare. You people will take time. Some people will eat very fast. Some people will eat very slow. Why? Why means what is the reason? That is what is something, the person is like that only. Don't compare. That's why I'm telling you people, what you understand, you need to maintain in your notebook. Became Adhamayindi. In your own language, you can write. Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, or whatever the language you can write. But that content should be understood by yourself. Right? So that's what you need to work for 3 to 4 months hard, then pakka you'll get a job. Understand, Anna? So like this, we have all the technologies. React also we had. This is an HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, this is a JavaScript APT. Okay, how to learn this part, how to execute, how to just create a file, everything we can just learn in the particular this course. Okay, and you people should not get confused. I'm not going to train you people mobile apps. Mobile apps separately. Mobile apps, if you want to design, you need to learn the Android. Is it or not? I'm not going to train you Android. I'm going to train the browser related websites. You know that Amazon app is there. I mean, Amazon mobile app is there. I'm not going to train you a mobile app. The same Amazon website can be open in the browser. Is it or not? Those websites I will train you. Okay, if you are interested in the mobile apps, you need to go for Android. Okay, I'm not going to train you Android. Here, no Android course is there in the Kapil. Okay, and what I'm trying, the browser related websites I'm going to do. Just I'm going to try. Browser में तो open in the React app, right? So the browser related websites. Students, then please shift. One people can adjust. Chairs उन्नाया. Sit down, please. Clear, everyone? This is the happens here. The particular web technologies. You people came in the middle, right? Almost the explanation is finished, but listen once again. So this is the process happening in the training session. Okay, the training will be happen in the 4 months of time. Okay, this is a full stack course. Okay, it is a multiple technologies we are going to learn. Okay, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React, I'm going to deliver. Okay, you'll have the daily 1 hour session of mine. Okay, every Monday to Friday you will have the offline classes. Only Saturday I will take the online. Okay, Saturdays only online. You don't need to come to office. You can sit at home and you can listen. Remaining all offline classes. If you people are feeling sick, you can sit at home and you can listen the recordings also for 2 or 3 days. Clear everyone? And this is a full stack course we are going to deliver. It will take 4 months of time. In the 5th month, you'll have the project. They will tell 3 months, but it is not enough 3 months. Clear everyone? And what moreover, when you talk about a single day, when you woke up in a single day, suppose they will ask one simple question: how the job opportunities are there in the full stack? You can ask the question for the Kapil, right? So when you talk about this full stack, we are woken in the morning. We are depending on the websites, is it or not? Instagram is a website. First finger అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది మనకి, right? Instagram is a website. Facebook is a website. Okay, if you want to order a products, Amazon. If you order a food, Swiggy or Zomato. If you want to book a ticket, book my show. If you go for a something movie in the watch in the mobile or the system, Netflix or Prime, those are all websites only. If you want to apply for a job, are you going for the company and you are applying? Same LinkedIn or something other career monster, you are going and you are applying. If you want to apply for a something college, again websites. You want to book a travel ticket, website. You are going for the railway station or you are going for the bus station. Simply are sitting home and you are doing your works. Is that all? If you want to buy a shoe, again depending on the website, that much demand is there for the websites. Okay, companies are eagerly waiting for the web designers. The companies are eagerly waiting for the good web designers, right? There are lack of designers. Okay, I'm talking about front end as of now. Okay, even though we need a back end also, full stack is it is a combination of front end and back end. So companies are eagerly waiting for the good web designers. Okay, many people have no proper knowledge of designing. Suppose if I gave the paper and pen, I'll tell you people to draw the Picasso. Can you draw? We need to learn the strokes, right? Pencil strokes, something color strokes we need to learn. The same way, we need to learn the designing also. Okay, I will tell you how to improve the designing also. Clear? I'm telling what I'm telling. Suppose if I gave the floor of a rice floor, I'll tell you draw the rangoli. Can you draw? Even girls, I too don't know how to draw. That shape I won't get. We need to learn, right? Everything we need to learn. Again, you people will have the programming fear. Some people, right? That one also we need to learn. No one will born with the programming in their mind. Is it or not? ABCs में पुట్టుకతో వచ్చేసినాయా మీకు? చదువుకున్నా కదా వచ్చిన డబ్బులు తిని. The same way the programming languages also we need to learn. Okay, I'll tell you some few websites. I'll tell you a few techniques to learn those programming and the logical thinking. Everything we will try. Okay, we need to learn and we need to attend the interviews. Clear? Where to learn in the course? Meanwhile, in the course, I'll tell you many websites. Okay, to refer and to follow or to put some examples. I'll tell you some websites. Those websites will be helpful after getting a job also. Clear what I'm saying? Right? Those websites will be useful. Just leave one page in the front page of your notebook. You can write all your web pages. I mean websites. It will be useful after referring, after doing in the companies when you get a job. Clear everyone? We got a one student, actually is a very inspiring person. He is we got a student of Srikanth. He is in batch 3, I think so. We are not in Hub in Gachibowli. He came just with the police training. He tried many times for the police training. It's a Pakka Telugu, I mean, Pallutur Abbai. I mean, from the village. He tried many times the police training. He unable to crack this police job, and forcefully he came to the training, the full stack. Okay, there is no other option. One of people suggested this Kapil. Forcefully he came. Okay, for joining also he take 1 week of time to join. Okay, and he joined. He learned very well the front end. He know the Python also, but he had good knowledge in the front end. Okay, he don't know logics. He don't know nothing, anything. He's doing the job very happily, front end developer like. Okay, now he is calling and ma'am, అసలు నేను అనుకోలేదు ఇలా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వస్తానని ఇమాజిన్ చేయలేదు అంటున్నాడు. right? So if you have the zero knowledge also not a problem, I'll improve your knowledge. If you are coming from BTech or BCom or BSc, B Pharmacy also not a problem. You need to be regular to your classes. I will improve your knowledge. Clear? I'll start from the basics. Whoever having the knowledge of HTML, CSS previously, you need to be very patient because I will tell very clearly like a spoon feeding. కొంతమంది మ్యామ్ చాలా స్లో చెప్తున్నారు ఈ చిన్న చిన్న కూడా పెద్ద డీటెయిల్ గా అవసరమా అనుకుంటారు నో యూ నీడ్ టు లిసన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ ఓకే దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి జస్ట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ టు ఫేస్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ అర్థమైందమ్మా so and when you talk about your after getting a job there will be a 3 months of training you know that I mean 6 months of training you know that తెలుసమ్మా కంపెనీలో మీకు జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత 6 months ట్రైనింగ్ ఉంటుంది రైట్ in 6 months they will pay you the amount 20,000 or 30,000 they'll pay you. But suppose for 6 months the company is spending something 2 lakh on you. Okay, suppose 2 lakh on you. Okay, it's a waste or useful for the company. Actually, if it means it is a loss for the company, right? Paying you and training you is a loss for the company. It is not a gain. So what the company are thinking is that thinking that if you take the trained people, okay, if they pick up the trained people, they can train only 3 months. Okay, and the remaining 3 months they're saving the amount. Like this, the companies are thinking nowadays. We talk many HRs, right? I'll talk with many HRs. Many of my friends, they will tell that. We require something knowledge people, not coming freshly from the BTech, coming freshly from the BSc. We don't want. They need to have the previous knowledge of something project, something technologies, then only they're taking. And when they are taking the course in the company, it is a corporate training, Nana. It is not a normal training like Amirpet. We are all experienced people, experienced trainers who are working and training. Okay, they know the life experience. We know the life experiences, right? And what they're taking, what I'm telling here, the certification what you're getting from the Kapil it is more valuable than Amirpet certifications, right? You know that Infosys will pick up the employees who are having the certifications. Infosys, they'll ask to submit the certifications also. Certifications submit చేయమని అడుగుతుంటుందమ్మా ఈ మధ్యన మీకు Infosys. మీకు తెలుసో లేదు. Okay, some people it is not asking, most of the people it is asking for the certification. Certification is very important when you are learning the course. Okay, Google certification is very important. You people know that, I think so, right? The same way, the corporate certification is more valuable than Amirpet certifications, Amirpet Institute certification. Okay, actually this is an actually located in the Gachipoli. There is no source. The students are coming to there. It's a very long distance. Okay, for daily for me only it will take 3 hours to journey, coming and going. I'll stay in the Kukutpalli. Right? Coming and going only 3 hours of journey daily. Right? So how the students will do without the salaries? So we just think of the students and we just found here in this small area we just found. Understand? So this is actually if you are interested in the hub, you can come there. There also classes are going on. Hublo kuda classes jarugutai nanna. If you are interested, you can come there. You can join there also. If you want to show the hub just images, I'll show you Nana once again. The new people are there now. Amma? Already watch. Actually, the hub will be very nice. It's in central AC. Okay. The lab will be 20. Morning to evening, you can sit in the. Sorry? Seconds is our second and third. No, it is a recording. Right, listen. So this is a Kapil building. It is located in the Nanakaram Goda. Okay, and it is in a way. This is your classrooms. Okay, and this is there will be meetings also held on. Some other companies will come and they'll conduct their meetings. World trade meeting. This is our lab. Okay, you can sit morning to evening and you can practice lab. This is our office, front office, our employees. Right? This is what you are happening in the Kapil. The main classes will be held there only. The main reason the students can't able to travel there. If you people are interested to come to hub, from Raidur we have the office bus. From Raidur onwards we have the office bus. You can come there and you can free. No. There will be a morning 9 to 10 o'clock. There will be a 6 rounds. The bus will go. 3 rounds or 6 rounds. I don't remember properly. Every 15 minutes you'll have. 9 it will start. Okay, you can come and evening 6 o'clock again the bus will come. You can sit in hub, you can finish the classes and you can just practice in the lab, and you can you people can come by evening. Okay, or else the training you can take here, the projects you can do in the hub one. Clear everyone? So this is the way the process is happening. Understand? Any doubts? And Java, is there PPT also? Just let me see. No?
Classes are going on parallelly.
Yes, no, parallelly. Here one batch, there one batch. Actually, in Amirpet, 3 batches we had. In Hub, we had 2 batches. Okay, yours is in this Amirpet, yours is a 3rd batch. Another 2 batches are going on. Okay, this is in what? If you ask the front-end counselors, they'll give this particular syllabus, Nana, Java. Other trainer will come and he will deliver the Java. I told you already, right? Java content. Okay, the same way Python also you have. I can deliver the Python also. Okay. PPT is there or not? I want to check. So it's not there here. Okay. If they are, if they people ask, so it is there in a small content. So this is the Python, Nana. Okay. So this is a Python content. It will have the front-end technologies also. Python content you just mention in this PPT. If people ask for the counselors, they'll give you this particular content. You can check it, what the concepts you are going to deliver. Clear everyone? And I'll tell you some websites also to refer more examples. Suppose I told one something, how to insert an image. Suppose if you talk about Amazon, it's full of images, right? Without the image, will you buy a product? No, placing an image is very, very important in the websites, right? How to insert an image, I told the particular concept, right? For that image inserting, more examples you need to try, right? Where to refer, how to refer in website, where to refer, I'll tell you very clear. Okay, when you are attending an interview, 2 points are very important. First, theoretical knowledge is very important to answer oral questions. Practical knowledge is very important to the something system test or something writing the program, right? 2 points are very important: theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. I'll tell you how to improve the both. Okay, some people will sit calmly and they'll do in the system, they can't express their knowledge. Yes or no? That both are important. Expressing your knowledge is very important and doing in the system also is very, very important. Most of my students, the problem with my students is they can do in the system. If they ask you people to explain the projects, means they won't open the mouth. That is the main problem for with my students. Lack of communication. Communication is also very important. It is your headache to improve your communication skills. Even though we are arranged a weekly twice classes, before we got the comms up, right? So sir will make you to speak, group discussions, stage explanation, everything sir will make you to do, and it is your responsibility to improve your knowledge. Okay, daily practice of just one paragraph. Stand in front of the mirror. Talk to your friends. Why to talk in Telugu? Talk to your friends in English. Automatically you can improve. Somewhat little more knowledge. Okay, common English is different. Technical English is different. Right? Just normally when I'm talking now, I'm talking normal English. But when I start the course, the technical language will be different sometimes. The words will be different. Okay, so you can improve very easily when you talk about the interview facing. Understand? This is happened very clearly in the hub. Any doubts? Any doubts on Emma? Online people? Ganesh, Kirtana, and Umar. And you people came some little late, right? I'll just again, once again, 2 minutes, I'll explain about full stack. This is a full stack course, Nana. You two people. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React. These are front-end technologies. I'm going to deliver you. Okay, it will take 2.5 to 3 months of time. Daily 1 hour session you'll have. Okay, and based on the concept what I'm delivering in the classroom, I'll give the assignments. Okay, if you finish the assignments, then only finally you can do the project. Okay, and Python we have the other trainer, Java also we have the other trainer. Okay, SQL we have the another trainer. So to learn this course, at least 4 trainers you need to face to finish your course. 4 trainers. Okay, alternatively you have the classes. Okay, SQL actually I forgot to tell, SQL you have the alternate days, not daily. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday you'll have the SQL classes. Okay, that communication classes every day, not Monday and Wednesday afternoon you'll have communication classes, not morning. Okay, so the SQL and the communication you'll have the alternate days, not daily. But the remaining technologies means what? Front end and Python or Java, you'll have the regular classes Monday to Saturday. Okay, sometimes Saturdays some trainers won't take, but I will take the Saturdays also. Saturdays will be online, not work from home. Okay, remaining Monday to Friday, you'll have the offline classes. I'll come to the office and I'll deliver the classes. And please utilize your trainer. Okay, we are trainer having the more knowledge, trying with the new concepts. Okay, learning the new concepts, asking the doubts. Okay, it will be more valuable. Just the trainers will show more interest on the people who are asking more doubts. అలాగని పిచ్చి పిచ్చి డౌట్లు అడగండి. So don't, I won't answer. Clear? And I'll tell you just very clearly, if your people are not able to do, just utilize the trainers, the knowledge. Okay, we will tell you, we will guide you. Okay, we have the lab analyst, they will clarify our doubts when you are sitting in the lab. Okay, when you are practicing a lab. Having your own laptop is better. You can go home and sit freely and you can practice. Right? All the content, all the projects, whatever the practice you done, everything will have in your laptop. Is it or not? Sometimes the lab won't be free. Lab చిన్నది కొంచెం. Hub koste పెద్దదనా. You can practice morning to evening. You can sit and you can practice. No one will kick you out. But here it is a less of lab. You can take your own laptop. It's better. Okay. Staff. These trainers only will go there and will deliver classes. Morning we will deliver here, Nana. Afternoon we'll go there. Okay. After morning, just finish here. I'll book a cab and I'll go for Hub afternoon. I'll deliver one more class there. When all the trainers, not only me. Data science, AWS, DevOps, everything, cyber security, everyone they will go for Hub. Only SQL, Nana, not MySQL. Okay, it is a database. Database related, how to store the data, how to create a table, how to edit the table. Something commands will be there, no? Those are will tell. With SQL only, sir will tell advanced Excel and Power BI also. It will take 3 months of time. Alternative will have. In Python, you'll get Django. Framework it is. In Python, basic language along with the Django. React is a framework, Nana. Yeah, the same way, Django is a framework in the Python. Okay, so we need to learn the frameworks. Without the frameworks, nowadays no project is going on. Okay, with the base technologies, there is no project is going on. The frameworks is very, very important. It's React and Django. Those only very important to do the projects. Okay. The timings it will be there, depends on the trainer's availability. As of now, we'll have the only morning sessions. Because afternoon all trainers will go for Hub. Okay, morning timings only, the timings will be different. Sometimes as of now, we will start the front end. From tomorrow, we can start the front end. But back end, it will take time, 15 days or 1 month after the trainer will become free, then we'll start the back end also. Understand? The timings will be different. Maybe we need to plan at 10 o'clock, our batch. Right? As of now, 10 o'clock only, right? 10 o'clock batch, we are going to plan. Tomorrow onwards, you'll have the classes. Clear? Any doubts? And how to write the code, how to create a file, everything I'll tell you, Nana. So don't worry. We'll guide you very clearly. If you had any doubts, you can ask. Online people, do you had any doubts? Sorry? Yes, that is an important thing, Nana. You need to improve your communication skills. And you people need to remember that 4 points when you are learning any content. Suppose you people are joined in the gym. Suppose you people are joined in the dance classes. Otherwise, you people are joined in the drawing classes. 4 things, anything, whatever cooking you want to learn. 4 things you need to learn. 4 points you need to learn. The first point is you need to understand listening is very important. You need to gain the 25% knowledge. Okay, 4 points I'm telling. What? Listening, 25% knowledge you gain. 25% listening, 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 25% liste Okay, writing 50%, practicing 75% you can gain the knowledge. Explaining to the others is you'll gain the 100% knowledge. These 4 points you need to remember. Listening only 25%. అర్థమైపోయినట్టే ఉంటుంది మనకి. You people what they will do, the who are people taking the training here, they'll do only 2 points. Listen and practice. Remaining 2 points are missing. Writing is very important. Right? When you are writing a book, it will have the more capability to store in your brain. మీరు రాసినప్పుడు బ్రెయిన్ త్వరగా క్యాచ్ చేస్తుంది. That too with blue ink, it is scientifically proved. Right? 4 points. Listening, writing, practicing is very important, and explaining to your friends. You people practice. Vintaru practice చేస్తారు. The 2 points are missing. You are having the 50 knowledge only. Okay, when you explain to your friends, you have the clear knowledge. Suppose I'm explaining you to you people. I had a clear knowledge, so I'm explaining you. Without that knowledge, can I explain? నెత్తిగా చెప్తాను. అవునన్నా అంటాను కదా. Right? Clear? So that is what important. When you are learning something, explain to your friends. For a long time you can remember. No one is there. Explain to your puppy. No problem. అది వెంటది ఏం చేయదు. So you need to practice. For the first time you won't get. For the second time you'll get. If no one is there, stand in front of the mirror. మీ ఫేస్ మీరే చూసుకోండి అమ్మా. Post in the Instagram. Who will stop you? Who will stop you? You know that one of my student, I'll tell you very clearly, she's a very clever student. One of my student, I used to work for NGO, free training. NGO, there will be only girls, free training. I used to train freely for them. All poor girls. On the parents lane వాళ్ళు లేకపోతే మా ఫాదర్ ఇన్కమ్ లెస్ దాన్ 1 lakh ఉన్న వాళ్ళని పికప్ చేసుకుని ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు. సో her name is Maunika. Okay, when she learned, there is a COVID time. In the COVID time, we got a COVID, right? Jobs are not there. ఏం చేసిందంటే నేను క్లాసెస్ I used to deliver PHP and Angular PHP and deliver చేసేదాన్ని అక్కడ. So when I'm doing that, she listened all my classes. We used to send the recordings also. She catched my all the content. నేను ఏమేమి డెలివర్ చేస్తే అంతా క్యాచ్ చేసేసింది. The same as it is, she started explaining to the other people. Online classes మొదలు పెట్టేసింది అమ్మాయి. You know that exactly she's delivering. She's learning React now. She's asking my help, and she started recently online classes. Some platform like she started. She's earning 30 to 40,000 per month. Okay, recently she gave the seminar for the Tirupati University on the kada. What is that university name? I don't know. What is it? She told something. SVL or something university. I don't know. Sri Venkateswara something university is there. He gave demo for that university. A university will call చేసి మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ పెట్టండి అని అడిగారండి అమ్మాయి. We will provide you the students. అమ్మాయి ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అలా తిరుపతి వెళ్ళలేదు కదా. So she's asking my help. మ్యామ్ మీరు వచ్చారంటే మన ఇద్దరు వెళ్ళి పెట్టేయచ్చు అని అడుగుతుంది. దాన్ని వచ్చారు మా పేరెంట్స్ అంటారు. Understand? She's very clever. Now she's trying for the jobs. She's having the 3 or 4 offers in her hand, but she's not going. Why? Because she had the business knowledge, business structural knowledge only. She had taken the one project with 5 lakh. She started a company in high-tech city with his cousin help. The knowledge only. He can run the freelancing jobs, and she can support her in the training. If he joined the job, she need to work from 9 to 6. And free time ఉండదు కదా, ఓన్లీ థింక్ చేయడానికి, బిజినెస్ చేయడానికి. సో మల్టిపుల్ వేస్ షీఈస్ డూయింగ్ అండ్ షీఈస్ ఎర్నింగ్. రైట్? నా కోసం యూస్ఫుల్ అయిందని నాకు తెలిసిందండి. క్లియర్? సో వీ హ్యాడ్ మల్టిపుల్ సోర్సెస్. వీ కెన్ వర్క్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ ఆల్సో. యూ నో టు వర్క్ ఫర్ ద కంపెనీస్. యూ నో టు హ్యావ్ ద వర్క్ మేనేజెస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. You can do your sit at home and take small projects, and you can work as a something. You can finish the project, they'll give you 70,000, 90,000. అది మీకు తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. ఫ్రీలాన్సింగ్ అంటారు దాన్ని. You can work like that also. We have multiple options when you have the knowledge. Gaining the knowledge is very, very important. Understand? Clear now? So just plan it according to that. We have the classes tomorrow at 10 o'clock. We are going to plan. If you people are enrolled, they'll allow to the class. We're enrolled now. You can allow chestarama classes ki. Okay, classes are not here in the new office. UDP దగ్గర చెప్తాను అమ్మా అడ్రస్ చెప్తాను మీకు. If you come here, they'll tell you address. Tomorrow onwards you will start the classes. Clear?